Hi, if you are on the lookout for a nice family home, then this one could be absolutely perfect for you. I'm on Trowbridge Crescent on the Bentley estate, and it's a 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Throughout you've got a good sized lounge, really nice sized kitchen, utility area and ground floor cloakroom. You've also got 3 bedrooms to the first floor and a shower room. The garage has been converted as well, so you've got more of a workshop to the back of the garage with just a little bit of storage space to the front, and then you've got gardens front and rear. I really like this property, offers really nice spacious accommodation throughout. If you think this is going to be of interest to you, give us a call, numbers on the screen, we can arrange a viewing for you ASAP.